Alright, I'm going to attempt to do an unboxing video. We're doing this a rehearsal. We have the instructions: brake light mount, adjustable tire mount B. Looks like everything's labeled here. There's something in here. That's nothing. Brake light mount B. This looks, got a little bracket here. Box doesn't say what it is. Brake light mount A. Brake light mount B. Adjustable mount B. Adjustable tire mount A. This appears to be the bolts, the hardware. That's what it sounds like. Just for facing. And then we got the tailgate mounted base plate. And the cast aluminum hinged reinforced plate. Well, guess we'll have to start opening these boxes. All right, from this point, I'm gonna go through this list. Well, I'm gonna unbox the rest of this stuff. Go through this list, make sure I have everything. Then I'll go over what was in the boxes. All right, I wasn't gonna unbox each item, but I guess I will. I can edit it out later, just because it looks like it's well packaged and for the most part, and I'd like to share that. So real quick, this is the main part. Cast aluminum hinged reinforcement plate. I know that's upside down, but it's in the, it was in the box like this. Kind of heavy. A lot of foam in here, you know, keep everything nice. Got a serial number there. Wow. Man, that feels really smooth. I'm gonna look at all the finished areas. They say this is cast aluminum. It feels kind of heavy. Look, that looks nice. It looks nice right there. Feels nice and smooth. No, like, you know, tight and loose or nothing. Everything looks good in here. The holes, all the holes look nice and smooth and drilled well. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looking in the hinges. It looks like you can pop those out and clean them. That's the bottom. So yeah, guys, it looks pretty good. Guys and girls. Adjustable tire mount. Wow, welds look good. Looks like we're missing some paint there, doesn't it? weld in there. That looks pretty good. Looks like they welded both sides in this one section and then all the way through the inside there. So how about here? Yeah, this is welded throughout. Okay, so there's that part. Looks good other than one little part. We'll take care of that. All right, let's see what we got. Let's take a look at it. So you got weld throughout there. All this is welded. All that looks good. It's all welded down here, so we don't have any in here. It's cold in my garage. Condensation. I'll tell you what, that looks good. It does. I'm surprised. Mount B. Where's brake light A? Let's take a look at this. This is really thin. I don't see any. Looks like it's just bent and jammed in there, huh? I don't see any welds. Well, this seems a little flimsy, sorta, but oh, so that just holds the brake light. That's no big deal. Yeah, because there's an adjustable part. Third brake light will go in there, so I don't think that's gonna do too much. That'll go up. All right, let's see what else we got. Brake light mount B, that must be where. Oh yeah, okay. So what's front and back. That looks like that'll go on there, in between there. Let's check this out. Looks pretty good, don't it? Nice bends. Nothing's real sharp or weird looking. I'm kind of looking at it myself on the other side of the camera. I'm looking in the camera, so you might not see everything, but I'm trying. Looks like it's painted everywhere. I don't know, guys. I think it looks good. All right, last box. I'll clip the video. This wasn't labeled. I'm not sure what this is. Looks pretty good. Looks like everything's painted. No, it looks pretty good. By the way, I did buy some black paint just in case. But no, it looks pretty good. And we got this part. Nice. It's got the Smittybilt logo on there. I kind of looked this over already, but we can go over it again. Like everything looks nice bends. Like where they cut it out, stamped it or whatever. It's not all jaggedy. That And we'll continue. Come back to that. Okay, we kind of went around the whole thing. We'll go around this. But the holes look good. The ring looks nice and smooth, like it's not going to tear anything up. As if you had, it would not be nice if you had to sand it and repaint it, And that's where the logo thing's in there. I don't know if that's just some glue. That does stick up slightly. So that does stick up slightly. So does that. So okay, but that piece looks good with looks like it's machined well, heavy duty. Looks good. So that's all the pieces. All right, without getting too confused, I kind of counted like 7 big brackets in here, all right? 7 big items, not really counting the bolts. If you want to pause that or whatever, I'm sure you can download the instructions. And I'm looking, and there's 7 pieces, okay? There's 3 there, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There's 2 pieces there, all right? Now the bolts, let's go over the bolts. I'm casting a shadow. Okay, we got 5 and 5 and 10 washers. They came already together. By the way, when I opened this box, the one bag with the bolts and all this stuff had opened up and everything fell out. So 5, 5, and 10. There's 2 washers on each. There's the 5. So there's those. Now we got the 12 millimeter setup, very similar. They were already put together like this. And there's 4 of each. And there's the 4. So now we got 6 millimeter bolts. Nylock nuts, washers, assembled, sort of like that with 8 flat washers. Those are right there, okay? Now, we're gonna go to the 8 millimeter stuff. The 8 millimeter stuff, 8 flat washers, lock washers, and 8 bolts. So there's the bolts, lock washers, flat washers. So those must be the bolts to hold everything onto the door. But anyway, everything's there. Doesn't really, it mentions these. These are, they give you some kind of long lug nut. Those are the wheel studs. And they provide nuts if you need it. There's 4 of these plates. They all look pretty good. I checked them all out, like as far as paint. Everything, they look pretty good. 4 of those and 4 rubber gaskets. All right, so guess we can start putting this thing on.